And gonna sell these these bad boys, man. Yo, good morning, Tommy. Good morning. I ain't foolish. I know exactly what I need to do at open. I know exactly what I need to do at open. Good morning, Rosales. Good morning. I know exactly what I need to do with my Tesla calls, baby, as soon as the market opens. Sell them. Premiums is going to be crazy at open. Crazy at open. Only thing I did wrong was not buy two of these damn calls, man. That's what I did wrong. I didn't buy two of them. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 2 seconds. Hold on. What? Hold on. What? This can't be right. No way. No fucking way, dude. No way. I thought I bought 72 calls. Damn it. All right. Okay. I thought I bought 72 calls. I didn't know I bought 75. Damn. Damn it. Mm. All right. Yeah, well. Yeah. All right, man. All right. I thought I bought 70 calls. All right. What's up, Mick? What's up, guy? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. And last night, I forgot all about this position. I was so excited about my Tesla calls hitting. I could have sworn I bought 70 calls. I do not know why. Anyway, why did I buy them so far off the money? 175 calls? That's so crazy. Why did I do that? I could have sworn I bought 70 calls, but I didn't. But I forgot about this position last night. You can see that it hit it perfectly. I had probably like a 2 ticks of drawdown, and I was apparently about what 19 points, 20 points. And I forgot all about this position. And when I came back, I was like, oh yeah, I forgot I put this damn thing on last night. I forgot. This actually might go red on me, actually. It's actually might go red. Yeah, they're green. It's just that they're not green enough. They're not green enough. So when they're not green enough, they ain't ripe yet. So you gotta wait for them to continue to grow. You said explain my strat. You know what, Alfred? You're absolutely right. They could go red. But right now, there was only up $40. I could have sworn, I ain't gonna lie, that kind of ruined my morning. I ain't gonna lie, that kind of ruined it. Yeah, they already lost all its value, apparently. I didn't close it. It was up, these calls are up $80. I didn't close it. So they already lost its value. They lost its value. I could have sworn I bought 170 calls. I could have sworn I did that. I could have sworn I did that because I was like, this could possibly get to 172. So I was like, let me just buy 170 calls. But then you know what I probably must have did? I probably looked at this and said to myself, well, if it gets to 170, I can possibly get a chip. But like, I don't know what the hell I was thinking, man. Because if I was going to get them cheaper, I should have bought two of them. I could have sworn I bought 170s. But I guess, I mean, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. At this point, we just let them ride. I only spent $28 on them, and as you can see, they lost $50 just like that. Just like that, they lost $50. Good morning, Matt Moxie. But man, so uh, I think I bought these. I think I bought these Monday. I think Monday. Yeah, if a stock jumps up 20 freaking dollars from my entry price, why the hell is my calls only going up 50 goddamn or $50? Like that doesn't even make no damn sense. I bought those calls when price was at like 144, 145, I think. It jumped up about $20. Yeah, I bought them at where did I buy them at? Well, we'll see. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna have to start managing these tomorrow. I think we can. Let's look at that real quick. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look. Because yeah, I mean that big red Tesla candle. I mean, people's gonna try to sell this. The people that bought down here are gonna take their profits right here. That's so crazy, man. Because I bought when price was at. I could have sworn it tells you when I bought these. I think I bought these at 44 or 45. Mm. Yeah, I got filled at 28 cents. Price was, yeah, I think I bought these at 140. I guess it doesn't, I guess it won't tell me when I bought these, but if a stock jumps up $20, why the hell is my calls only going up $50? That doesn't even make no damn sense. But like I said, it is what it is. I'm gonna hold on to these. I'm gonna see if it can at least get to 170. But I guess it's my fault. I shouldn't have bought them so far of the money, but I could have sworn I bought 170 calls. Mm. Yeah, I could have sworn I bought 170 calls. But this right here, yeah, that I knew this was gonna happen. But we'll see if the Tesla bulls is gonna hold this. I think they're gonna probably come back down here and try to retest some of the structure, possibly like right here. They probably might retest this. They probably might retest that. This actually, I might have to possibly get out of this, like right here. I think this is probably as high as it's gonna go unless we're gonna take out these highs today and take one off. You see that? You see that bullshit right there? Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, the Bulls gonna have to hold point of control. They're gonna have to hold this, but the way that this is looking, it looks like we could get a move back up. We could get a move back up. There's a lot of heat at 135, and then there's more heat at 150. I've already said that price is it's once price gets to that 150 to 180 range, we can see a massive, massive dump. Massive dump. And I believe we have, if I'm not mistaken, we have Meta earnings this afternoon, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we have Meta, IBM. I guess Ford for the. I mean, I guess Ford isn't the S&P, and I guess it's a big company. I guess it does have some influence over how the markets move. I think Boeing had great earnings despite all the what words do I want to use? Despite all the technical difficulties that their aircrafts were experiencing, apparently they had good earnings. All right, let me make sure I was reading that right. Maybe it could have been something else. Yeah, yeah, Boeing, I read that right. Yeah, so Boeing reports better than feared quarter. All the crap it was experiencing. So apparently they were saying that their supply chain has stabilized. So when I hear stuff like that, when you're having supply chain issues, but you need to maintain operations, that's usually a great recipe for cutting corners. And I'm not saying that this is what's happening, but supply chain issues, continued operation, and then with their aircraft experiencing the stuff that they were experiencing, yeah, you don't have to be a genius to put two and two together. Um, but we do have Microsoft, Alphabet, Intel, Snap, Roku reporting tomorrow. I mean, obviously, it's going to be Alphabet and Microsoft that people really is going to be focusing on. Yeah, and then these energy companies, they always making money, so that's not going to be no surprise to nobody. They always make money. Yeah, I mean that's all we got. That's all we got. Okay. Let's see if we can get a retest of these highs, and then I'm just going to leave one to run right there, 127. Because it looks like they're trying to take profits at 135. But if I think today is going to happen, we might try to get to last week's close. We might try to get to that close at 151.66. We might try to get there. That might be the target the market's trying to get to. And if the market gets to that 166 level, then I know to flip my bias to the short side. Unless these tech earnings come out super great and they push past this level of resistance, and they can push price all the way up to around 52.15ish, 52.10 in that area, 52.10, or let me rephrase that, in that range between 5200 and 5220. somewhere in that range is where price can be pushed to before we see a sell off as supply. And I think that's where price is racing to. Because I believe Apple's earnings are next week, and obviously everybody has a hard on for Apple, so I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah. We got AMD, Uber, AMD on. Hold on, Ford's. Hold on, that can't be right. Is Ford? No, that can't be right. Oh crap, was I on the wrong year this whole time? Oh crap, I might have been on the wrong year. Now that I realize that, I might have been on the wrong year. Actually, into that. It's April 2024. Of course not. Okay, so maybe go to Wall Street bets. April. Hmm. Okay. Earning whispers on Reddit. Okay, fine. Make it difficult for no reason. Make it difficult for no freaking reason. Okay. So yeah, that's for this week. What about next week? Okay. I guess I'll find that later, but we'll find it later. I mean, if the Bulls hold this here, yeah, this can definitely go up higher. Hmm. So I think you jump and look for 17,800. Yeah, I can't do it. All right, so you said 17,800. Ah, yeah, that's right there, dude. Yeah, we can definitely touch that. We can definitely touch that. All right, let's see. We ran these highs, 94. So, I mean, we had point of control previously on 840. 840. Hmm. Let me see something real quick. Yeah. Yeah. NQ can possibly get here. NQ can possibly get here because I have 830-ish as supply as the top of supply. I mean, it has to get past 812 first. It has to get past 812, but yeah, I have a break of structure on at 833. 833 on my higher time frame chart. So they're gonna possibly want to retest that. Yeah, they're gonna possibly want to retest that. It's really a break of structure at 846, right at this point of control. So 6 points above point of control is where they had that real break of structure. But I doubt they're gonna try to. I mean, it's highly likely they'll front run it. But yeah, price has to get past 812 first. So price has to get past this level. And if we can push past this level right here, and then I'm thinking the next level is going to possibly be here. Yeah, somewhere around here. Yeah, possibly 33, 33.50, possibly. Okay, so let me make sure I'm not. I got 3 targets. I took one off. So now I have 2 targets. 22. I mean, if we get past here, we can possibly get up to 41. Let me take that off. We'll see. We can definitely get up to 41. We can get there. And then 36. 36. Hmm. But it has to get past this first. So I want to see how they push past. I think they push past this high. I think they push past this. Nice. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. The Bulls are going to have to hold this right here, or we can get a crash going down. They're going to have to hold this. And at this point, yeah, they're going to have to hold that. Shoot. Hmm. And they swept that high all right. They swept it all right. Hmm. Let me look at this real quick. So 16, let me put this at 15. $24.19. So that's 5 points right there. So where does Smith go? Unfortunately, where he's at, I guess they don't feel that having a stable internet connection is important, apparently. So he's been experiencing, or his workstation has been experiencing internet issues lately, which is it's kind of stupid on their part. You want people to, well, I guess they didn't put a gun to nobody's head, I guess, but I mean, you want people working for you to feel comfortable and be able to reach out to their families, and yet they don't feel that having a stable internet connection is important. So unfortunately, that's what he's going through. Hopefully they can get this resolved pretty soon, hopefully. Okay. I never experienced so much connections issues until I started trading with MFF. Okay. It didn't work out this time. It didn't work out this time. I still made $1,300 on that play. Unfortunately, I could have made more. So, I was hoping that they at least come back and take this out, but I guess they didn't. I guess they didn't want to. Yeah. Yeah, and I saw that on my chart too. Honestly, I guess I wanted them to keep on going. And get that bullish reaction that we got yesterday. Man, I could have sworn I bought 170 calls. Ugh. All right, man. All right, so let's see what they're doing, what the institutions are doing. Hmm. Hmm. So it seems like the bulls are still in the market. I guess this is a pullback. I mean, price is at supply. Price is still at supply. But because we didn't get a drop, my theory is that they're going to consolidate in this area, and then they're going to push price higher past this resistance, all these stops, and they're going to be looking for higher prices because it appears that they're looking for higher prices here on the. Shit. Look at that, dude. Look at all the puts. Okay, pass. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We are at resistance. So these puts, I mean, they're selling them, but they're also buying them. So I don't know if so they're buying puts and they're also selling puts. I don't know if let's look at this real quick. So they've been around this 508 strike. They've been all right. So they've been selling the 508, sell. They bought, but these all expired yesterday. These expired yesterday. Okay, so I don't know why they're showing them. Actually, let me look at this. Maybe it's me. Okay, so 4. Okay. Technical difficulties. Okay, so these expire. Let's actually look at for the rest of the week. Just want to look at the weeklies real quick. Okay. Hmm. Okay, actually, no. Hmm. I wonder. Somebody spent $2 million at a 482 strike for puts. They spent $2 million at open for June 21 482 puts. That's interesting. That's interesting. That's interesting. Somebody's betting, or somebody at open bet that price that they bought 507 puts. They spent 200K on that. Hmm. All right, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I mean, price is definitely at resistance. I mean, it's kind of obvious. Well, it's not that it's obvious, but yeah, actually, maybe Tesla could keep pushing. I think the bulls are going to probably keep pushing this. 68. All right. All right, let's see if we can get another trade. I think. Hmm. So it looks like it's trying to go down. It looks like it wants to go down. Possibly 906. That's what it's looking like. Hmm. Well, I mean, if that's the case, well, why not? Yeah, I think I'm already using that. You know what? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna have a tight stop on this. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Good thing I didn't try then. Actually, I'm gonna try here. Okay. So I'm only gonna give this 16. I'm only gonna give this 3 points. I think we can possibly get to 102. If this works out, I think we could possibly get down here. I'm just gonna put this to. Mm, oh, okay. All right. Okay. So I was wrong on that. Or maybe I was probably too early on it. Maybe I was too early. Let's try that again. This bear failed to fill the gap on Qs. Let's see. Let's see. I'm not going to give this too much because maybe I'm misreading this. I may be misreading the charts. Maybe it is still bullish. It possibly is still bullish. So 21, maybe it's still bullish. Okay. All right. So I guess we're still bullish. Okay. We're still bullish. You said hold KD? I mean, it's looking, I mean, let's see. Let's see. Because it might be a replay from yesterday. The Bears got clapped yesterday, man. The Bears got clapped. So you got 25 micros at 738. Hmm. Yeah, I think the Bulls still got this. I think the Bulls still got this, but we'll see. We will see. I think the Bulls still got it though. Yeah, the Bulls still got this. All right. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Says looking for a high retest. Hmm. Yeah, I don't think so, man. I think we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All of a sudden, that shit's so fucking important. Okay. Yeah, I think if we do get a pullback, it possibly wouldn't even be that far down. I'm thinking I'm going to have to be very mindful where I take these profit targets at. I'm going to have to be very mindful because if we break below this low, then that's not going to be good for bulls. It's not going to be good for bulls at all. He says Nvidia is selling. So round two on gap fill. And you still talk about the Qs, right? Quick scalp on NQ. Let's see. Because I mean, if they take out these lows, which I doubt. I mean, we had a breaker structure. Well, okay, yeah, we might take them out. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, we could, because we had a breaker structure, we had a break, we had a retest, we pumped up, just came down, got this. So we can possibly get a retest, possibly somewhere in this area. You can possibly see price get back into this area. But this is where all the orders would be at, and this is where the bulls will highly likely want to defend their positions right here. Actually, let me look at that because that's kind of okay. Let me try this one more time because I think I have my settings wrong. I think that's good. Okay, I think that's good. I think I have my settings wrong. Okay, so they're bouncing it here. I mean, there's all right. So we got this area right here, and I'm pretty sure the bulls are going to want to defensible. ES. I mean, they're going to want to defend the same area right here. They're going to want to defend this. Mm. Mm. I mean, we still have bullish momentum. We still have bullish momentum. So what I'm gonna do is, damn, damn it. All right. It's too late. It already kind of bounced already. Mm. Damn. That's why you gotta act before you speak. Act before you speak. Act before you speak. Because you be talking about it and then the bulls be about that shit. Well, actually, we can probably get another leg down. We can possibly get another leg down right here. And that tells me that I possibly haven't been doing that on this one. Yeah, that's what that tells me. Yeah, we'll see if we can get this. We'll see. We'll see. Because I think we can flush that. We can possibly flush that. Probably have my first one at 103. 96. Okay, so let's see if we can get these targets hit. Let's see if we can get them hit. But I'm talking about there's so much support right here. There's so much support. Mm. I don't know if they took out this low yet. He says SPY is bigger than the QQQs at the moment, which honestly, that is surprising to hear, honestly. That is surprising to hear. So let's look at that real quick. Yeah, QQQs. Dang, I should have bought QQQ calls, apparently. That's what I should have bought. Okay, so I mean, we're at that. Yeah, I can see why we got that sell off because I mean, we're at that break of structure. So there's going to be supply in this area. It's going to be supply, but this right here, it's going to be support. And the bulls are going to want to defend this area. And that they already are defending this area somewhat. So mm, mm, that's the Qs. Mm. Yeah, they're going to need, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. And then SPY. Damn. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Okay. Rest in peace, my SPY calls. Let's see if they're going to want to protect this low at 505. I think they're going to probably protect this. I don't, I don't think so. I think they're going to want to protect this low. So I'm going to protect this position. I'm going to just move my stop down. Um, I kind of wish that the momentum was more clear, but I think the momentum is to the upside. I think I might be trading on the wrong side of momentum right now. I may be trading on the wrong side of it. So he says ES might come up to 5120. Yeah, with the support. So they're gonna need to defend this area. Yeah, guys, I might be trading on the wrong side of momentum on this one. So I'm gonna do this real quick. I don't want to abandon the entire position, but I guess I should at least take profits on one, just in case I'm wrong. And then I'll just break even right here. But the way that this is looking, I might be on the wrong side. Yeah, I might be on the wrong side. Says, yeah, I did. I got my stops in profit right now. I took one off. I mean, if it gets above VWAP and starts trading, then trading higher, then I'm wrong. But then if I can scale back into one. If I got out prematurely. Yeah, okay. I'm trading on the wrong side of momentum. I see that now. I see that now. I see that now. I see that. Okay. All right. That was a break-even trade. All right. All right. So I'm trading on the wrong side of momentum. I see that now. I see that. I see that now. So they've defended this area. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is their fifth time doing this. So, you know what? Like, I don't know. I'm gonna try this one more time. I'm trying it one more time because I feel like it. I feel like I just got faked out twice. I'm gonna try it one more time. We'll see. Because we came up to 18. I mean, the Bulls are holding it here, but I doubt that they take this up. But they have held this area about 5 times. They've held it up 5 times. Okay. So this looks like chop on the 1 hour. Hmm. Yeah, it's definitely we are definitely trading in this range. We are definitely trading in this range. Okay, so they made this high. We're making lower highs, and this is now the fourth lower high. The Bulls are trying, but I think they're gonna fail. I think they're gonna possibly lose this level right here. I mean, unless they come up with a vengeance like they did yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, I might be on the wrong side of this. So yeah, I'm on the wrong side. So they are definitely holding this area up. They're holding it up. They're holding it, but there's no follow through. Hmm. Nah, we'll see. We'll trade the technicals, man. We'll trade it, the price action and the technicals. Right now, we're making lower lows or lower highs. The bulls are holding this up, and yet they're not. There's no follow through. So they're defending this area, but they're not showing that they really want it for real. I mean, unless we see like this big giant green candle going to the upside, then I'm like, yeah, okay. I'll take back everything I'd said about you bulls. Yeah, okay. All right, so apparently I must be on the wrong side of this now. It says, am I shorting? For right now, yes. The reason why I'm shorting this, because of the technicals. They're making lower highs. The bulls are defending this area, but there's no follow through. The EMAs are flat, and they're pointing out. It looks like they're going to slope to the downside, but we'll see. This could be a replay of yesterday. This could be. Give me a second, guys. Give me 1 second. I'll be back like in 5 minutes. Give me a second. So right now, man, I'm risking 6 points on this play. I mean, I guess if it takes out that high, then I was wrong. Yeah, if it takes that high out, I was wrong. All right, give me a second. All right. All right, so it got up to 107. All right. So I got the 107. So I think this short is good. Let me look at NQ real quick and make sure she's not doing nothing crazy. I mean, yeah, they're trying to hold it at the 200 EMA. But yeah, I think this is going to continue to try to sell off. This price is within a fair value gap, so it's going to chop. I mean, shoot, if they lose this. Hmm. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to hold this. It looks like they're trying to hold this. Hmm. Yeah, I don't like it, but it don't make sense to not do. All right, so we're at that level where they bounced up this morning. Let's see if they can just take this out without any hassle. Without any hassle. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, Alfred, that is definitely true right now. It is definitely hard to hold shorts, but the momentum is to the short side right now, so that's what makes this very challenging. It makes this very challenging. If you can get a break below this low, I think they're going to try to bounce it at like 102, 102 or something. They might try to bounce it at 102. We'll see. We'll trail. We'll trail the position. We'll trail it once price gets down here because I think they're going to try to bounce it. Yeah. Okay. It's like we know where the market is trying to go, or we have a good idea where it's trying to go. Obviously, it took out the liquidity from the top, so it's going to be in search for liquidity at the bottom. But and this is where all the liquidity is right here. Okay, so all right, so I'm gonna have to be very careful. I have to be very careful here. I have to be careful here. I agree. I agree. I think we got the same targets. There we go. Hit that first target. Yeah, I'm not playing that game with her. Okay. So that's one target hit. Hmm. I think they're gonna try to bounce it here. So let's trail this. At least get some profits in this. Let's see. This good trade. Good fucking trade, man. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Yeah, I think they might actually try to bounce it here in this area. Somewhere in here. So what I'm gonna do is actually trail one. I'm gonna trail one of these. That's actually probably not a good spot to stop. Because they may try to bounce it here. They may try to bounce it here. And then they might get a rejection at like 110 or something. Then I'll be completely out of this position. All right, that was a great trade. Great trade. Great trade. Great trade. Great trade. We didn't get I mean, shit, we was in a good entry and we got stopped out of it. Great trade. Okay, so I'm out that. Gonna trail this. So this is the ES that we're talking about. I'm actually gonna put this at 98. I think they're gonna probably try to bounce it here. Yeah, I kind of figured it'll do that. So, but what I will do though, see if I can get an add in right here. Put a tight stop. Yeah, shoot. Hmm. Of course, I gotta clean this crap up. Hmm. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Yeah, let's see if we can get a rundown. Just sometimes being on the right side of the market feels very uncomfortable. You're uncomfortable in this position. You're usually on the right side. Boy, can the market make you think that you're wrong. Yeah, the market can definitely make you think you're wrong. Yeah, I'm starting to see that, honestly. I think we're going to probably get a break below this low. We'll see. I'm thinking they're trying to get in this area. I really think that they're trying to bounce it somewhere in this area right here. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, I think we're good in the short. Yeah, we're good. NQ. Yeah, NQ's dropping too. Unless they're trying to double bottom this damn thing. Mm. It's no different from any other time. It's no different. It's no different. All right, so yeah, this level right here is definitely going to be crucial for the Bears to try to break through. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, it's going to be crucial. Mhm. I was hoping that the Bears would be able to just break through this without a retracement, but they might need a retracement. They might need a reload, unfortunately, for this position. And it looks like it's the same thing as for the NQ. Same thing. Yeah, it's going to be the same thing. So the Bears just have to really show some authority, but I think the market is going to try to protect this low. We'll see though. And the way that they look like they're trying to bounce it here. Let me look at a book map real quick. Yeah, it's like a wall right here. It's a wall. I don't want to flip long. I do want to stay in the short because I do believe the market is really trying to get here, but sometimes the market does front run its targets. Sometimes it does. Bears, come on. Push through. Push through. And we have literally no volume at this level. There's no volume coming in. All right, so yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're good. All right. That might have been a sweep. Mm. Yeah, ES is taking his time, obviously. And Q's doing the same thing. So this is going to be tough. This is going to be tough. We're in a bullish environment. We're at possible demand. The bulls are holding it up, but has yet to prove that they're actually here with follow through. The bears are slowly grinding this down. They're slowly grinding this down. And we're at support. There it goes. Okay. I mean, they show up like that for like 2 seconds. But I do want to point out that we're kind of at support, and they did sweep this low. They did sweep it. I think this might be it right here. I think they might try to go long. I think they're gonna try to be going long here. Actually, I'll put this at 6. Just in case. I'll give it to 6. Yeah, okay. They break this. This is going up. If they break it. Yeah, okay. All right. Okay. I think this might be it for the Bulls or the Bears. I think that might be it. If they can't follow through right here, then I'm going to be looking to flip long. If they can't follow through right here. Okay, there we go. Okay. Yeah, they needed to come in right here. If the Bears didn't come in right here, then this short position was done. Says close shorts, watch it break lower. I mean, dude. We'll see. Because it's looking like it's not even, they're not even letting price get to this low anymore. Let's look at Nasdaq real quick. Yeah, they're not even letting price get to this low anymore. The bears are trying. You can feel it. You can feel that they're trying. They need to come in with some volume and force. But it looks like all the bears are getting absorbed right now. And on Bookmap, they're holding this level strong. Like they holding it. They're solid red. Like, so the bears gonna have to really show that no, we're gonna break through that low. Just enough craziness. Thank you, bears. Thank you. 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 God dang. All right. So we broke through it. So NQ prior high is at 1766. 666. Says it bounced 2 tick above my team. And that's what got him heated. Yeah. The markets love doing that. There we go, baby. There we go. Well, actually, no, no, no. I'm saying there we go, but this is that area. This is that area right here. Okay. They could try to bounce it here. Damn. Give me a second. Give me a second. Mm, okay. That's how it always plays out, man. That's how it always plays out. Mm. Hold on. Did we get 98? We hit 97. This is actually. We'll see if this wants to continue to go down. All right. So I've made $2,600 in this account. I'm actually going to switch to another account. I'm going to switch to this one. I made $2,600 in that account. So I'm going to lock that in for the day. And watch this continue to go down. Now that you're out the position, I mean, this could possibly go to 95, but you know what? What I will do is I will do this. I'll scale in two right here. Because I can get, I think I got four now. Yeah, I got four. I'm going to scale in two. And then I'm going to put, actually, well, okay. All right, let's see. I mean, it's pushed its way into what I believe could be support, but honestly, it might actually be looking for lower prices actually. But we'll see. I'll put a order right here at 95. I'll put an order right here at 90. No, I'm in at 98, so what I'm gonna do is actually put this at like 85 or something. Like 92-ish. Now this thing wants to drop. Now it wants to drop. Nice. Now it wants to drop. Okay. All right, so I'll do that. Now it wants to drop. All right, when you get out of your position. Right when you get out of the position. It says, yeah, I agree. They need to hold it here. Or are we about to flush? Okay. I think the most we possibly get is possibly back up here to 10. The most, if we get a bounce here. Two, 6. Possibly get back up here. Unless so if I stayed in that short position, my targets would have got hit. If I stayed in the short, they would have gotten hit. Let's take this elevator up, baby. Let's take the elevator up. We took the stairs down. Let's take this elevator right back up. All right. All right, so let's look at NQ real quick. You know, ES ain't doing shit. She's trying to still figure it out. She's trying to figure it out. But yeah, it looks like NQ has found at least temporary support right here in this area. At least temporary support. Not saying that they can't come back and try to knock this thing right back down. But for right now, it looks like they're trying to hold up this area right here. So QQQ's finally filled the gap. I mean, it's looking like it's looking like price is trying to find support here. It's looking like it is on the higher time frame chart. It's looking like it's trying to find support, but we all know that the bears ain't going to really follow through. It's going to take them 10 hours just to get a push down with how aggressive these bulls are. It's 10:15. 10:15. We don't have any news today. So the market is basically trading off of pure price action today. Yeah. So I know crude is probably going down right now. We got the 5-year note at 12 o'clock. And we got Meta and IBM at 4 o'clock. So, that's a 15-minute. Kind of wish that one side would just figure it out. Figure it out. There's if you want this market, shit, show it. Show it. Break through the support area. Show it. Yesterday, the Bulls came back with a vengeance yesterday. But honestly, actually, let me look at SPY because honestly, I was looking at it yesterday and I was like, man, this looks like damn, look at that. Oh my God. Damn, look at that. Damn. Man. So the reason why I had that reaction is because yesterday I was debating. I had 504 puts and I closed them. I closed them yesterday because I was like, Tesla's going to probably pump the market and they're going to probably just pump. So I closed them out yesterday because I figured that I didn't want to be right overnight. And I figured I was going to be right overnight. But apparently, I just would have been right. So, actually, this actually might be an opportunity to buy some cheap calls. This actually might be an opportunity to buy some cheap calls. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, so I know these are done. These are done. These 0 DTEs are done. These are done. Yeah, I might as well just close these and at least get some of my money back. Okay. Oh, dude. Dude, what the dude? Okay. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so 0 TTEs, close position. All right, so I get some of my money back on that because that's not going to hit. All right, so I think this actually might be some good opportunities to buy calls. All right, so let's look at this real quick. I mean, they're still kind of sweeping puts. Let me look at this. So I'm possibly going to wait till probably the end of the day, actually. Let's set an alarm for if price gets to 503, 503.50. And if once price gets to 503.50, yeah, because that's where our breaker structure is at. Then they're holding it off right here, though, at this high. We'll pause. We'll wait to the end of the day. We'll wait to the end of the day. We'll wait. We'll wait because I want to buy. Actually, it's 200. So is that 503? Hmm. Is that 503? It's 504. 503. So 503 is possibly where I want to possibly get in at. Hmm. Hmm. We got Meta earnings later on today. If their earnings is going to be good, yeah, 502. Yeah, I'll probably buy some more calls, probably like at 502 ish. Hmm. Hmm. We'll see. We'll probably still wait till the end of the day to buy these calls because in 2 days, I mean, can we do it? We can definitely do it with if Apple and not Apple, Alphabet and Microsoft have good earnings. We can possibly see a surge in the Qs in SPY and in Nasdaq. So let's okay. So let's game through this. Says Google. Says Google it. Uh, yeah, we got that break of structure. So 505. I mean, if we get to 500, that would be crazy. Would that be crazy? We get to 500. Mm, yeah, it looks like we're gonna probably need more information on this one. I mean, spies at support. Hmm. Hmm. Spies at support. All right, so probably towards the end of the day, I'm going to look at 512, 513 calls towards the end of the day and give them 2 days out. I think, what is that, Friday? Yeah, Friday. Yeah, we can possibly see a rally on Friday. Okay. Okay. And here I was thinking that my short wasn't going to work. This is why I stay in my position. This is why. But I'm going to learn this lesson today. Just touch 90. I want to see what it does at 90. Okay. No, that's the wrong one. Oh, that's interesting. I think this thing is stupid. Stupid scaling plan, dude. All right, so let's see if the Bulls can make a comeback. Let's see if they'll make a comeback here. I mean, I doubt that. I doubt that. So the most we get is probably like 107. I mean, shit, does we get a full recovery? Nah, they might actually try to dump this right here, actually. All right, so what I'm going to do is actually put my stop right here. So if it does come back, it'll be a small loss. It'll be a small loss. And if it does try to double bottom, I can get a better entry. If it does try to double bottom, we'll see what it chooses to do. But I think it's candle. Hmm. Yeah, man, yeah, that does make sense. Mm. There is a wall right here. There is a wall on bookmap right here. Yeah, there goes that wall. There goes that wall. There we go. But they might try to come back in. I think we're trying to, yeah, probably get to 102, possibly. The Bears are going to try to come back in at 102, probably. So there goes Euro. Hmm. Okay, so we definitely left a lot of money on the table with this one. We're gonna have to probably actually, I might actually have to do this right here. Let's see. We need a clean break above this high right here. We need a clean break. And this is what I actually enjoy about trading ES. Once it goes, you can kind of put your stop where you need to put your stop at because it doesn't do that bullshit back and forth. But this is definitely a bad entry. Obviously, if it was down here, obviously I wouldn't have moved my stop, but we're trading into resistance. Right now we're green, but this is a risk-free trade. So hopefully we can get our targets hit. But if it comes back and stop us out, we can look for a better entry. But I think we're good. I think we're good. Because this might actually be bears covering their positions. And they may try to reload around this high somewhere. So we'll see. See if we can get our first target hit. That's interesting. That is interesting. Okay. There we go. First target hit, baby. First target hit. First target hit. Risk-free trade. We make some money in that trade. So shit, everything else is gravy on top. Everything else is gravy on top on that. Ah, shit. Ah, damn it. Ah, I just thought about that. If the ES just recovered, that means that SPY just recovered right at its support area. I just thought about that. I just thought about that. Just thought about that. Huh. Damn. I'll just wait till the end of the day. I'll wait till the end of the day with this one. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. If we get stopped out of this trade, I mean, it's risk free at this point, so it's risk free. Hopefully, the bulls can hold this. Hopefully, we can stay in this position, but if not, this was a bad entry, and this ain't the NQ. So we're gonna have to hope. We gotta hope. Yeah, it looks like Nasdaq is holding up. And CL just had they just said that they had more demand. Yeah, that's actually probably a good short right here. It's actually probably is a good short. This is a good short. I'm actually gonna probably take this short. Yeah, that looks like a good short. Do it or not, CL. Do it or not. Shit. All right. So that's 20 cents. Yeah. Oh crap, I got her on the wrong one. I got her on the wrong one. Actually, let me look at this real quick. Let me look at her. Let me look at her. Because I'm definitely on a higher time frame chart. CL. Actually, let me get out of this. Actually, let me get out of this. Let me see if I can get out of this at break even. All right, so we got a breaker structure. It came back. It took out that high. We got a breaker structure. It came back. So I can see 82.12, 82.11. Possibly get a stop run down. 82, 82.11. Yeah, right there. Yeah, I think we can get that. We can get that. We can get that. And I got in at 58. So I'll leave my stop here. I'll leave it there. I think that's good. Yeah, I'll leave this here because I think if we can get a run of these stops, we'll definitely go back down here. But she'll take forever. She'll definitely take her time. Okay. All right. Let's go back to this ES trade. Yo, congratulations on that, Ivan. Congratulations on that, man. That's what we always try to do in this room, man. We try to just only make money and not lose it. Protect capital, make money. Rinse, repeat. Protect capital, make money. Yeah, yeah. Huh. Actually, let me just take that alarm off. Let me just take that off. I'm gonna take this alarm off because this one is kind of distracting. I think I just got stopped out of that CL position. Yeah, I got stopped out of that. I guess I was too early in on it. We only lost 200 bucks on that CL trade. We'll get it back. I think I was too early on it. I think I should have got in. I should have got in at this breaker structure right here at 80. Should have got in right here. But I did not realize I was on the higher time frame chart. I did not realize that. I'm gonna get in long here with CL. I'm gonna get in long. 3. Get in long right here. All right, so I think I got stopped out of that play with ES. That's fine because that was a horrible entry. That was a horrible entry. Okay. But we was able to protect our capital. We did get paid on that move, so we'll just look for the next trade. We'll just look for the next one. I think, let's see what they do right here. If they actually take this low out, that would be surprising to me. All right, so let's see. Let's see if they take this low out. Oh, there goes that low. There goes that low. Or was that a liquidity sweep? Was that a liquidity sweep? Was that a liquidity sweep? Actually, it's the wrong account. This is the wrong account. Yeah, we might see. Okay, let's see. Because they took that low out. Yeah, they might. Yeah. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. And I might try to put it right here. Okay. All right, so where can this go to? We just got to bounce. This can possibly go back up to 110. Could possibly go right here to 110. So I'll put this like at 180 or something like that. Increase price. Man, unless it's going to continue to go down. I guess it's also going to do that too. Continue to go down. I'm going to put my stop at 80. Ah, shit. Uh, mm, mm. All right, guys, give me a second. I got to go into a meeting. This may be a losing trade. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully my charts did. Yeah, I think this should be good. I think this should be good. I got to go into a quick meeting real quick. Give me a second. Give me a second. Thanks, Alfred. I appreciate that. I did not realize I was muted. So what I was saying, damn, I didn't. My bad. I didn't realize that. So what I was saying was that prices at support. I bought those calls just in case. I do plan on buying more calls at the end of the day, cheap, but prices at support. And the bears are still trying to sell this down. They are trying to sell it down. Hmm. Says NQ ignoring. Yeah, my bad, guys. My bad. I was definitely engulfed in the. My bad. Um, yeah, I'm gonna hold these. I'm gonna get out. Yeah, I think these targets are actually pretty good. These are actually pretty good targets. True note. So right now, the location where Smith is at, they're experiencing some internet issues. The internet went down. Stuff stuff like that kind of makes you appreciate what you have here in the States because when you go overseas, you may not have the same luxuries over there. And the internet connection is just it's unreliable, it's inconsistent. According to what he told me, they actually just before he came, they actually had to reset it up and it was out for a couple of weeks before he came. So I guess they're experiencing that again, and unfortunately for him, he's kind of trapped there. He's unable to reach out. So hopefully they get the issue resolved because he does have family, and unfortunately he's not going to be able to reach out to them. And I was also saying earlier that it's just surprising that I mean you would think I mean you have an operation overseas. You think that the one thing that you would keep up so you can keep the people that are employed there happy and motivated to continue to work is the internet so they can reach out and speak to their families. But I guess not. Guess not. Yeah, he missing all this, man. I know he's over there just kicking, punching the air too. I know when he finally reaches out to me, he's like, "Man, I miss all that. I miss all of this." And I'm gonna have to be like, "Yeah, okay. Yeah." The market really showed itself. She showed herself. I mean, the Bears got to eat and the Bulls got to eat. Everybody got to eat. As long as you ate at the right table, you got to eat. Yesterday, Bears had to feel it because the Bulls were relentless yesterday. They were just relentless. And even in pre-market, relentless. Says, are we coming out with a course? I am working on that. I am working on it. But this website kind of set me back. I only have time to do things on the weekend for real. And the website set me back. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to still work on it this weekend as well. some of the time frame where I'm gonna use to work on the Teach Me How to Trade series that I'm gonna do. I'm probably do it early next month because it's looking like this month is almost already over. We're already almost done with April. Can y'all believe that? We're already almost done. We got one more week of April. We actually got what, 6 more days of April. 6 more days. And then we're done. And then we're going right into May. We're already halfway through the year. Can y'all, like, dude, we're halfway through the year already. Yeah, time does move fast. Okay, so let's see what they're doing on Bookmap real quick. I mean, they're holding this area. I mean, the bears have definitely tried to sell past this area multiple times. They definitely are trying to sell it down past this low. That's why you got to kind of buy into it as it goes down. Because I got this bad entry when I saw it bounce here at 86. I got this entry at 89. Honestly, I kind of, if I had one more contract, I would scale in at like 83, 85-ish. If I had one more contract, I would scale in at 85. If I had one more, but unfortunately, with this stupid scaling plan, I don't. Or maybe I do. Maybe I do. Yeah, no, I don't. All right, so I would scale in at 85 and I would stop out here. But it looks like they are holding this. Or not at 85, 83. 83. I was scaling at 83. Yeah, today is kind of like a reverse of yesterday. Once they tapped into that area of supply, once they tapped into this. Yeah, NQ, I mean, it's here. NQ is also here. The bears are trying to say, nah, this is a bear market, baby. They're trying to sell this thing, man. And we've already gone into 11 o'clock. So this is usually when the trend reverses. We'll see. We'll see if they're trying to continue to try to sell this down before actually going into lunch. This 582 is the next level down. Yeah, that's kind of why I wish I had one more contract to scale in at 83, because I would have scaled in at 83. I mean, but so far on the ES, it looks like they're trying to hold this level. I mean, if they break down, I mean, yeah, we're gonna get a sweep. They are definitely holding it. But all right, I'm gonna get off the stream at 11:20, so I'm gonna keep the stream going until then. We'll see what happens. We'll see if I'll get stopped out of this position or if it'll go in my favor. I think this is a good area right here. I believe I'm good, but the way that the Bears are trying to sell this thing right now, they could try to take out this low, stop run down. Let's see. And it looks like on Bookmap, they do have orders sitting at 80. 50, 80. They do have orders sitting there. You said, am I long? Yes, I'm long right now. Yeah, I'm going to try not to. I'm going to try not to. I think if the Bulls can hold it here, if the Bulls can hold it, I think we can possibly get back into this area. We can definitely get back into this area. But if the Bears do push price down, then I just have to find another trade. But yeah, they're definitely trying to sell it down. But I mean, there's buying here. There's definitely buying. You can see that was just a sweep with the low, so that was not surprising. They just swept that low, and now the Bears are trapped. So let's see if the Bulls can use that as fuel to push up. Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, Alfred, I agree, man. This scaling plan does force you to. It does force you to pick your spots, man. It does force you to pick your spots. All right. Okay. Says you'll never do exit again. Oh shit. That's unfortunate, man. Were you trading Nasdaq or were you trading ES? So the only instrument, dude, I'll only trade ES overnight. And from trading ES, it seems like if you really want a good position, you have to set a limit overnight. All the great positions that I was in, they were all overnight. Like earlier today, I was in this position right here, and this got filled at, I was in at 107. So this got filled at 5 o'clock this morning. 5 o'clock, this position got filled. And I was in at 107. Unfortunately, I forgot about it, and I wasn't able to get out of this position. But I think I still was able to profit on it, I think. Or maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I got out right here, and then I had a second one right here, somewhere right here. So I forgot about that. But yeah, that position didn't get filled until 5 o'clock this morning. So I would never do that with NQ. I need to be watching her. I don't trust her. I would never put a position on unless it's at super supply and super demand. I would never place a trade overnight with NQ. But ES, yeah, I'll set it and forget about it and go to sleep. NQ, yeah. Yeah, NQ is, man, she is such, she's a wild one, man. That's why I would never trade NQ overnight. So, so what were you looking for last night? So you said you was trading overnight. Where were you at exactly overnight? If you can possibly talk about, I mean, where the trade went wrong. Like, where did you get in at? Just try to set a micro long, and it hit my stop last night. Because this says, oh, you shorted 670. Oh, six. Oh, you shorted the open? Huh. Okay, I see why. That does make sense. I can understand the reasoning. I can understand the reasoning. You got this big red candle. I can understand the reasoning, but uh next time just be mindful that this is support. And in order for this short to have worked, it would have had to trade through all this price action. And yeah, it would have to trade it through all that, and you can see as soon as it tapped into it, as soon as it tapped into this area, it skyrocketed. So just be mindful next time of the price action, because I had to learn that the hard way myself. Even though even though I would want to short here, yeah, 67. And resistance can turn into support real fast. Resistance can turn into support real fast. Mm. And you can see it swept these highs and got to 780. So, So the NQ only got to 7. No, that can't be right. Oh, so that can't be right. Yeah, I got to 755. That can't be right. That's not right. Shit, she front running the shit out of everybody that was looking for 800. From what I've from what I see, if price is trying to get to that whole number, I will always try to front run that around 95, 96, because from what I've seen, the NQ always front runs that number. She always front runs that number. Or let me rephrase that. More often than not, she'll front run that number. And it looks like she's about to recover. It looks like she's about to recover. And just like the ES, she can possibly get here to like the 695-ish, 695, 680, if the bulls can follow through. If they can follow through, that's where I'll be looking to take some profit and possibly getting out this entire position. But we'll see. But all right, guys. Stubborn Night doesn't respect technicals though. She will kiss you and run out of luck. Yeah. Yeah, NQ follows technicals when she wants to, man. She is definitely a wild one. That's why I call her a wild one. Like, if you look at it, once the candles are painted, you're like, yo, like, how did I make that mistake? It's like, of course this was supply or demand. Of course this was resistance. How did I make that mistake? But then when you trade her live, it's like, dude, like, what the hell are you doing? But once everything is said and done, look at it. Look at it. She's selling off at resistance. She's bouncing at support. It's crazy. She does it, but it doesn't feel that way. It does not feel that way. Yeah, that always happens. Yeah. Yeah. That's why I had to shake off NQ once I started trading ES. I had to shake her off because I was like, there's no way that ES is this technical. There's no way that there has to be a trick. There has to be a trick somewhere. There's no way. But yeah, ES is, yeah, she's technically sound. She's not going to push past double tops unless that's the objective. I mean, you can see it. She don't push past these highs. Once she makes them and you're here, you need to stop out of your position. You have to. She does not come back. When she make these highs, she does not come back. She don't. She get this double top. You see how she didn't go past this to the T and drop? It doesn't come back. And if you thought that she was going to come and he's going to break even, you found out. So with ES, you just have to, if you trade the NQ and switch over to ES, you're going to have to take them losses. You have to, because she don't come back. I mean, NQ, she'll come back. I mean, she'll come back. I mean, once she makes her high, I mean, obviously she ain't going to come back for that high, but I mean, you mess up, you about to blow the account, she'll come back. She'll come back. She'll come back until she doesn't come back. So, but all right, guys, that's it for me. I'm in the stream. I got some work I need to catch up on, and we'll do this again. Hopefully, Smith can join us before the end of this week, and if not, we'll just rock with it, and hopefully he can get back in next week. So, until then, peace out.